Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Some of us have a tendency to store fat in certain parts of our body, some areas more than others. And for me, menopause just made it so much worse. One of the areas for me is my back. And I have to be honest with you guys, because it's back there. I really didn't take note of it until I put something on that accentuates the fact that there is a lot of fat in my back. But today, we are going to target that area with 5 exercises. Each exercise 55 seconds in duration with a 5-second break in between so that we can transition from one exercise to the other. And at the end of the 5 exercises, you guys, we're done. And the beauty of this workout is because it's only 5 minutes. If you're feeling up to it, you're feeling energized, then you can basically customize it because you can repeat it 2 more times, 3 more times, 4 more times. Again, depending upon what you feel up to on this particular day. And on another note, you guys, this one is not requiring any weights, but I will be bringing you a back exercise for those that need a little bit more resistance. So keep your eye on that. That will be coming soon. So you guys, without further ado, let's get into this back workout. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next exercise in 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 3, 2, 1.